If you clicked on this video, you're probably here for one reason, and it's because you love my content so much, right? Probably not. You're here to get the answer for the question, why do my TikToks get 0 views? In this video, I'm going to talk about that question and how to solve that problem. I'm going to talk about potential TikTok shadow bans, and I'm going to just talk about the different weird parts of the TikTok algorithm that you might want to know about. Let's do it. What's up guys, I'm Spencer Twitchell and I make a ton of videos about social media, making money online, and recently I've been doing a ton of TikTok content. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, go down and hit that fat red button. It's calling your name. Anyways, wasting no time here, let's get into the main question that you guys want me to answer. Why are your videos getting 0 views? Now it could be a shadow ban. That's a pretty popular thing on Instagram, is for your accounts to get shadow banned and then you get no natural reach. And the reason that would happen to your TikTok page is if you broke a policy or were too spammy, similar to Instagram. But the thing is, that's actually not that likely, and it's more likely that TikTok's algorithm is just being weird. And I know that's not the answer you wanted to hear, but hear me out, it is what it is. I'm gonna prove it to you by showing you my TikTok theme page. There's a series I've been doing on that. I'll link it above or somewhere, you can go check that out. But when I started that series, I was getting the exact same problem where I was getting 0 views on every single one of my TikTok videos. I went from getting 0 views on every single post I did to getting almost 1 million views on one of my videos. But then, of course, TikTok decided to give me only 1,000 views on the video after that. Whatever. TikTok algorithm is weird, that's what I'm saying. Guys, literally, I posted 5 to 10 videos a day for a while, only getting 0 views on every single video. I was actually getting scared for the series because I thought I wasn't going to get to go anywhere. But then finally I had my break. TikTok gave me a viral video and that video has around 800,000 views or something. It's doing really well. Moral of the story though is that TikTok is super inconsistent and a lot of your TikTok growth depends on if your posts go viral or not. This is not at all comparable to Instagram. So like, if you're worried about Instagram shadow bans and now you come on a TikTok and try and grow a theme page there, and now you're worrying about TikTok shadow bans, it's not the same situation whatsoever. On Instagram, you'll just know if you're shadow banned because you're not going to get any reach, but on TikTok, it's kind of hard to tell. Because for TikTok, you could post 5, 10, 25 videos and still get 0 views on every single one, just because you haven't had that video that's going viral yet. But I am 99% sure that you guys that are in my YouTube comments saying, oh, I think I'm shadow banned, or why are my videos getting 0 views? I'm 99% sure you're not shadow banned, and instead the TikTok algorithm just isn't favoring you right now. But for the 1% of you who actually are shadow banned, that's okay. You gotta wait out, I think it's 14 days. I think it's around that time. But honestly, if you're a small enough account and you're already shadow banned, you might as well just make an entire new TikTok account because you already had a small following and you can blow up pretty quick on a new account. But if you've already acquired a little bit of a following, then I guess just keep posting a little bit and then just kind of wait for it to go away. Nothing you can do really. However, if you are in the 99%, which is most of you, here's a solution to finally start getting some views on your TikToks and to break the algorithm to finally go your way. You need to post more content. Again, not the answer you wanted, but it is what it is.
It is what.
We're all about truth on this channel. I'm not gonna tell you some sneaky little algorithm trick that might get you a few followers here and there. No, we're not about that. We're about the long-term consistent growth. Problem with TikTok though is that it's not that consistent. It's all dependent on viral videos. And the more videos you have, the more chances you have of going viral. So if you're posting a few videos a day, like 1 or 2, even 3, and you're getting 0 views on every video, honestly, it's gonna take a long time for that to change. What I did, and what I'm talking about, is posting like 5 to 10 times a day until you start seeing some differences. That's what I did for my theme page, and the results are obvious there. I can't guarantee that you're gonna get the same results that I did. I was even surprised my video got that many views, but it's very likely that if you're persistent in posting and you're consistently posting content 5 to 10 times a day for just until you go viral, you're gonna go viral at some point. But anyways guys, that's all for today's video. I just wanted to make a quick video because I've seen a bunch of you guys in the comments talking about getting 0 views after starting a theme page. which is awesome, by the way. I'm glad you guys took initiative on that. But anyways, once again, just keep posting videos and eventually good things will start to happen to you. An update video on the theme page series is coming soon. I'm waiting to hit 5,000 followers and we're actually pretty close. If you want to look at it, just go look at the page yourself. I'll leave that in the other video so you can go watch that if you haven't already. But anyways guys, that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. I've been seeing a ton of growth on this channel and I'm super stoked about that. But anyways, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.